like to start off in the corners because they're a little elevated. And
is this metal or
Yeah.
thick plastic? So what are we looking at here?
Power supply, motherboard, and then speaker. This part right here is only structural, but what it does support is it supports the speakers from jiggling around, but it also has the power button and the IR sensor right there. This just comes right unlocked, but I gotta be very, very careful here.
So it's just one ribbon cable,
But look, you have the IR sensor right here.
and all of that just connected to a ribbon cable to this motherboard.
Yep, right there.
HDMI ports and everything that sit through the back are just directly on the motherboard.
Yep. We're just gonna slowly work our way around this scary board.
That's the cable that takes
The
from
motherboard.
power supply to the motherboard.
Yeah. If you actually touch just the exterior, it's all ground, so you can just pick it up like this. So next is to get the metal frame separated from the plastic frame, because the LCD is actually on the plastic frame.
So you have to take all the screws out from all these little screws around these little mounts. So you have to take this metal part out to get to the LEDs, or
Yeah.
you have to disassemble everything, get the speakers out of the way, unmount both of those boards.
Also, these are all labeled by the manufacturer here, so they are labeling every single screw. So they're labeling the screws with this pen. Next, I gotta get this plastic piece out. And there's no guides on this TV, unfortunately, so I'm just going in kind of blind. But now that we have the goods,
And how much did that cost?
unfortunately, it's like $25, but $25 versus a $1,500 TV.
Polycarbonate sheet that we put on after we replaced the LEDs, there are notches that are exactly where the LEDs go, so that they catch the light and distribute it at all angles to really make the whole thing light up. There were cracks in the polycarbonate layer that were causing some weird artifacting at the bottom.
Let's watch. Okay,
Yeah.
I see it.
We see backlights. See
Yeah.
lights?
Okay. Oh my gosh, it totally works. Look
So-
at that.
It's going across the bottom there. I would say that was successful. Well, you can clearly see the kitty damage.